viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. To survive, I do buy and sell for a generator. This is the first one that I have, Honda inverter. Second is the Westinghouse 14,400 watts tri-fuel. Third is 13,500 tri-fuel to Westinghouse. And let's revisit my 12,500 dual fuel that I set up for this shed. And let's open that shed. First, open this latch. And the other latch. It's a little bit tough to open it. Throw this one there. And that's the generator that set it up. Give you a look. You need to put that, connect it, the two connection for a battery. That's the 12 volts. Now I'm in propane mode. That's the all outlet there. There's a cover in it. It's a nice design there. That's the muffler that I built. I put some anti-fire wrap there. Ventilation in going to the engine so that it keep it cool. That's the main connected to run this ventilation out so that it throw the heat inside the shed. Here's the hose connection going to this. Let's open this one. So you can see that. So it's open, and this is the remote control or pad that I have. I hang it there. So that's the, I believe it's a 5-feet hose connection. It's not easy to touch, but you can just roll this one using your adjustable hands, whatever tools you have. You can use full string, but this is just gonna use the remote start, push, or I shut it down by this remote. This one, it's 12,500 watts peak. Running watts there, 9,500. And if you use the propane, it only, you get only 8,500 for your propane. That's the all how to start in propane and gasoline. It holds 6.6 gallon. I just do some maintenance here. The first one, 9/15/2024. That's the gauge for the, if you want to use the gas. It's a nice touch there. And I only use one connection so that I can, every time I run this one, the two fans, it works. So let's fire this one so they can show you how this one's fire. The most important is, before you start, connect these two wires, connect it each other. Put that one in firmly. Now we are in propane mode, not the gasoline. You can see one of the wire there is connect so that you can run your two fans. Not put this one out first, start first the generator, and you can, if you want to get a power after 5 minutes of idling, you can put this one up. So now put this one in on, and power it. Down quick using the Fabrimo. A wonderful day. That's how we start this generator for 6 minutes. You can do this every week, every 2 weeks, or a month to keep the battery right on. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Good day.